In this video, I'll show you how to insert PowerPoint in CapCut. First, it is important to know that CapCut does not usually import a PowerPoint file directly as a PPT or PPTX file, so before adding it to CapCut, you need to convert your PowerPoint into a format CapCut can read, such as a video or images. The easiest method is to export your PowerPoint as a video. Open your PowerPoint presentation on your computer, then click File, choose Export, and select Create a Video. Choose the video quality you want, such as Full HD or 1080p, then export the presentation as an MP4 file. If your slides already have animations, transitions, voiceover, or timing, exporting as a video is usually the best option. This keeps the presentation looking close to the original version. After exporting the PowerPoint as a video, transfer the MP4 file to your phone if you are editing on CapCut Mobile. You can use AirDrop, Google Drive, OneDrive, a USB cable, or any file transfer method you prefer. Now open CapCut and tap New Project. Select the exported PowerPoint video from your gallery or files, then tap Add. CapCut will place the PowerPoint video into your timeline, just like any regular video clip. From here, you can trim the beginning or end, split the video into sections, add background music, insert text, include captions, add effects, or place another video on top using overlays. Another method is to export your PowerPoint slides as images. In PowerPoint, click File, choose Save As or Export, then select an image format like PNG or JPEG. PowerPoint may ask if you want to export all slides. Choose All Slides, then transfer those images to your phone and import them into CapCut. Tap New Project, select the slide images in the correct order, and tap Add. Once the slides are in CapCut, you can adjust how long each slide stays on screen by tapping a slide and dragging its edge in the timeline. You can also add transitions between slides, zoom effects, voiceover, music, and text. Before exporting, play the full project and check that the slides are readable, the timing feels comfortable, and nothing important is cut off. Once everything looks good, tap or click Export. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then save the finished video. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.